Well, thank you, most of the students. Firstly, I am going to solve the questions, real numbers and inequalities with criterion question is so important, and you have to watch my channel regularly, and most of the important maths are solved this moment. So somehow are critical in chapter, so I think you have to practice more, so then this math are easiest and easily, and humbly request all of students whose are learners and viewers. I think you are so collecting good marks. That's why that the time is solved. These questions are firstly minus 6 is less than or equal 5x divided by 2 plus 1 is less than or equal 0 is absolute values. That means we have to require this the modulus is less than or equal some constant is the absolute values of format. So, and we have to remind this the minus are less than or equal f of x, modulus is less than or equal plus r. It's the main things. So we have to solve this the process, and this the absolute values of the function. So we have minus 6 less than or equal 5x plus 1 less than or equal 0, minus 6 plus 3 less than or equal 5x back 2 plus 4 is less than or equal 3. That's why is the 5x by 2 plus 4 is r by divided by 2 is less than or equal 3. So 2 is multiplication of both sides. So 6, 5x plus 8 is less than or equal 6, 5x plus 8 less than or equal 6. This is the result. It's so absolute values of minus 6 less than or equal 5x back 2 plus 2 less than or equal 0. It's the answer. It's number 2. And then if p is less than 1 by 5, and secondly solve this question, we have p equal to x minus 2 is modulus. That's why p is and p is less than 1 divided by 5. So that's why x minus 2 modulus is less than 1 by 5, and since p is the modulus of x minus 2 and p is less than 1 by 5, that's why that is less than 1 by 5. So we have to clear this the maths, and p is less than 1 by 5, then so that x square minus 4 is less than 21 divided by 25. So that's why x minus 2 is plus 2 modulus is less than 1 by 5 plus 2. 1 by 5 plus 2. That's why you have to minus 1 by 5 is less than, and minus 5 is the format. That's why minus 1 by 5 plus 2 is less than modulus x minus 2 plus 2 is less than 1 by 5 plus 2. So that implies minus 2 plus 2. That's why minus 9 plus 9 divided by 2. 9 divided to less than x less than less than x, and 11 divided by 5. 9 by 5 divided by 11 divided by 5. So that's why this is modulus is less than, that's why is less than 1 by 5, and this the less than is 1 by 5. So you have to clear this the systematic way and systematic format. So I think these are 9. That means we have to 9 by 25, 9 by 5, and we have to clear this the number 2. So it's so easiest, I think, that 9 by 5 into 9 by 5. So is less than x is less than 11 divided by 5 into 11 divided by 5. So is the square of both sides. 81 divided by 25 is less than x square 121 divided by 25. So that's why we have to minus x square. So minus 4. So 81 divided by 25 is less than is minus 4 is less than x square minus 4 is less than 121 divided by 24 minus 4. So that implies minus 81 minus 100 divided by 25 is less than x square minus 4 is less than 121 minus 100 divided by 21. So that's why minus 1 divided by 25 is less than x square minus 4 is less than 25, and 21. So x square minus 19 divided by 25 and minus so it's so easy, but not so easy. But minus 21 and 25 is less than minus 19 divided by 25 is less than x square minus 4 is less than 21 divided by 25. So that's why minus 21 25 is less than x square minus 4 is 21 divided by 25. So that's why it is the format. Now this is the format and this is the format. So in this format, obviously, so x square minus 4 is modulus is less than 21 divided by 25. Is 21 divided by 25. It's somehow a problem, but this two greater than other, this the less than other. So this is the countable marks, countable point 21, and this the 21 is the same, this same OS. So this is the greater than, and this is the greater than, this is the greater than, minus 2 is greater than, minus 3 is greater than, minus 4 is the same pattern, are less than, is the formula of less than 25, 21 divided by 25 is less than, minus 19 divided by 25 is less than, minus 21 divided by 25 is a format. Just you have to practice now, then it's so easiest and easy process. Now we have to practice in number 3. Number 3. So it's so you have to practice deeply. Then obviously you should collect in your target points. So that's why number 3. Number 3 is solve it, and so that the line graph f of x and g of x. F of x here f of x is less than, g of x is less than or equal 1. Less than or equal 1. So f of x is x less than or equal g of x, 3x plus 2 is less than or equal 1. Oh, f of x into g of x is less than or equal 1. That's why 3x square plus 2x less than or equal 1, and 3x square plus 2x minus 1 less than or equal 0. So this is the MIT form, x square plus 3x minus x minus 1 less than or equal 0. That's why 3x is x plus 1 minus 1 is x plus 1 is less than or equal 0. That implies x plus 1 and 3x minus 1 less than or equal 0. Its system, our previous lot of lecture solved this moment, then you are automatically watch this my maths and automatically watch this the channel. Then obviously this the system of pattern. If it is true or not, which is the plus or which is the minus, which is the plus or which is the minus. So that's why is the point 1 by 3 is the, and minus minus 1 and 1 by 3, this is the point and this the point. This point are automatically negative, both are negative. These points are automatically both are positive. Then minus 1 is the front and 1 by 3 is the back side. Then minus 1 and plus 1 3 is the front and back side of this function. So I think these are obviously clear. This is the system. So this x, firstly x is less than minus 1. Firstly x is less than minus 1. So x plus 1 is sine, x plus 1 is sine minus, and x plus 1 is sine is minus, and 3x minus 1 sine is minus. Minus 1, firstly minus 1 is the little number. Minus 1 is the little number, so then minus 1 is both are negative. Both are negative. And x is greater than 1 by 3. This is the plus, this is the plus. Is also clear? So minus 1 is less than x and less than 1 by 3. This is the plus, this is the minus. It's so easiest form and easy maths. So I think you have to clear automatically. So this inequalities formats are minus 1 is less than x or equal x less than 1 by 3. This is the format. This is the inequalities format. These are equal. So inequalities are line graphs. Line graphs, that means this is the boundary of line graphs. So x belongs to all real numbers such that minus 1 is less than x is less than or equal 1 divided by 3. So this is the set of solve it and solve, so that the line graph is the line graph. That's why 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 0, that means 0, minus 1, that means 0, minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 3 and 1, 2, 3. So you have to clear this the process automatically. 1/3. So that means minus 1 is right, and 1/3. That means 0 kasakasi 1/3. This is the 1/3. This is the line graph of the minus 1 is less than x is less than or equal 1 by 3 is the answer, and it's also line graph. It's also line graph. It's also line graph to you. Well, thank you so much, and you have to clear this the all maths 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, this is the 10 marks. This is the 10 marks. 2 is so easy and 1 is so easy and 2 is somehow critical, but you have to deeply thought. This is the system, then automatically clear, and third maths are somehow are easy or tough. So obviously 1 and 2 are clear, then obviously 3 is automatically clear also. So I think you have to memorize and practice in your any moment, any place. So obviously these maths are easiest, I think that. So that's why. So learners and viewers and most of the military students watch this by channel. Then obviously this should collect in the channel and collect in the maths. And on humble request to you, you have to lot of share in you and your friends and lot of nearest friends and neighborhood of friends. No problems at all. So I think you have to collect in good marks and good result. Well, thank you so much, and thanks everybody.